Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Meta Quest 3 software using Wi-Fi and phone app, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin updating your Meta Quest 3 software, ensure your headset is charged and connected to Wi-Fi. Put on your headset and navigate to the settings menu. From the settings menu, select the option for software update. Check if an update is available. If an update is present, select download and install. While the update is downloading, you can continue using your headset for other activities. Once the download is complete, follow the prompts to install the update. Your headset may restart during the installation process. After the installation, your Meta Quest 3 will be updated to the latest software version. Now, let's update using the phone app for added convenience. Open the Meta Quest app on your smartphone. Ensure your phone is connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your headset. In the app, tap on the menu icon, usually found in the lower right corner. Select Devices, then find and select your Meta Quest 3 from the list. Look for the option labeled Update. If an update is available, tap Download. Follow any additional prompts in the app. Once the update is downloaded, it will automatically install on your Meta Quest 3. After the installation is complete, your headset will be updated. You're now ready to enjoy your Meta Quest 3 with the latest software features. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.